2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.